Hey guys, it's Kelly Orocha here with Orocha Real Estate. I am your biker realtor. Hey, I want to go over the stats for Utah County, the numbers for the housing market for August of 2023, kind of like what I did last week for Salt Lake County. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the market stats right off the bat. So for active listings, we are up 7.64% from last month. New listings at 1,072, so up almost 19%. Average days on market has been steady at 45 for the past 2 months. Under contracts are up 1.52% for 1,067. And sold listings are up 1.68% at 667. So as we can see here, the majority of the homes that sold in Utah County were in the $300,000 to $700,000 range. If we look at median price per square foot, we can see that for Utah County, we're running about $214 a square foot. Now if we look at our local market report, look at the important things here. So the median sales price of August of 2022 was $515,000. This year it's $505,000, so about a $10,000 reduction, or about 2%. We can also see that percentage of original list price received is about 97.9%. Okay, so not quite 100%, but almost. Change in median sales price from prior year, kind of the same theme as what we saw in Salt Lake. We run about a 5 to 10% on average median increase year over year, except for when we had those boom years. And you can see that now we've dropped down to here, but we can see the same thing that we saw in Salt Lake County, where we're starting to trend back up. So what this means for you guys is that prices are down right now, right? Interest rates are a little bit higher, but you can always refinance down the road. But if you can get a good price on a home and have the seller maybe pay your closing cost or something like that, chuck in some cash, like my last client's got about over $30,000. So between the state and the builder. So if you can do something like that and get into a home, man, you're golden. Okay, let's look at supply and demand. So Utah County's running a little high on inventory, low on sales. So high in inventory, low on sales means it's more of a buyer's market. And like I said, we're seeing that with the sellers offering concessions. They're having to lower the prices on their houses, which we saw with the 97.9% just a second ago. They're having to incentivize the buyer to buy their homes. So again, good time to purchase a home. If you're selling a home, if you have to sell a home, it's not a bad time to sell a home either. I mean, you still have, historically, you've got some really good equity in the home. And, you may want to take advantage of that to do something else. Maybe do let me get this. Maybe do a step up, or go to a larger place, or maybe even buy a second home or something like that. So, the best thing to do is to give me a call. If you have some kind of inclination at all to buy or sell a home, give me a call and we'll look at your individual numbers and we'll figure out if it makes sense for you. If it does, awesome. If it doesn't, okay, no worries, right? All right, so appreciate you guys, love you. Stay safe out there, and remember, I am your biker realtor. Thanks, guys.